Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a really important topic that could affect millions of seniors across the country. I'm talking about a major change coming in 2026 that could put your health coverage at risk. You might have heard whispers about this, but the details are what truly matter. I've spent weeks digging through legal documents and speaking with experts, and what I've found is something every senior needs to be aware of right now. So, what's happening in 2026? A new provision is set to change how certain popular Medicare supplement plans, specifically Plan F and Plan G, are structured and offered. For years, these plans have been the go-to choice for many because they cover the Medicare Part B deductible. This means that once you pay your monthly premium, you have very few, if any, out-of-pocket costs for doctor visits and other outpatient services. It's a system that has provided peace of mind and financial predictability for a lot of retirees. But starting in 2026, newly eligible Medicare beneficiaries will no longer be able to purchase plans that cover that Part B deductible. This is a huge shift. If you're turning 65 in 2026 or later, you won't have the option to buy these specific first-dollar coverage plans. The government's reasoning behind this is to encourage people to be more mindful of their healthcare usage by having some skin in the game, so to speak. The idea is that if you have to pay a small amount out of pocket, like the Part B deductible, you might think twice before seeking unnecessary care, which could help lower overall healthcare costs. Now, if you already have a Plan F or Plan G, or if you become eligible for Medicare before the 2026 cutoff, you can keep your plan. That's the good news. You are grandfathered in. However, this is where it gets tricky. And this is the risk I mentioned at the beginning. When a plan is close to new, younger, and often healthier enrollees, the existing pool of members gets older over time. An older group naturally tends to use more healthcare services. What does that mean for you? It means the insurance company is paying out more in claims for that specific closed group. To cover these rising costs, they will likely have to raise the monthly premiums for everyone still in that plan. So, while you get to keep your beloved Plan F, you could see your premiums increase significantly and more frequently than you're used to. Over the years, what was once an affordable plan could become a real financial burden. This is what we call a death spiral in the insurance world, where rising costs push healthier people out, which in turn drives costs up even more for those who remain. This is not just speculation. We saw this exact scenario play out before. Back in 2020, they made a similar change, phasing out Plan F for newly eligible beneficiaries. People who were already on Plan F could keep it. What happened? Many of them have seen their premiums climb steadily over the past few years, in some cases much faster than the premiums for other plans, like Plan G, which remained open to new enrollees. History is our best teacher here, and it's showing us a clear pattern. The 2026 change is essentially extending this principle to other popular plans. So, what are your options? How can you protect yourself? This is where being proactive is absolutely crucial. You can't just set it and forget it. First, if you're approaching Medicare eligibility before 2026, you need to carefully evaluate your choices. Getting into a comprehensive plan like Plan G now might be a very smart long-term strategy. While you'd have to pay the annual Part B deductible yourself, your potential premium increases over time, so it'd be much more stable and manageable because the plan will continue to accept new, younger members. If you're already on a plan that's being phased out, like Plan F, you need to start monitoring your annual premium increases very closely. Don't just automatically renew every year. During the open enrollment period, you should compare your current plan's cost against other available options. Could you switch to a Plan G or maybe a Plan N? Switching plans can sometimes require medical underwriting, meaning the insurance company can look at your health history to decide whether to accept you and what to charge you. That's why the best time to make a switch is often when you're healthier. Waiting until your premiums have become unaffordable might also be when your health has changed, making it harder or more expensive to switch. I want to be clear. This isn't about scaring you. It's about empowering you with information. The healthcare landscape is constantly changing, and these legal and regulatory shifts can have a real-world impact on your finances and your access to care. Knowing what's coming gives you the power to plan ahead. You can start having conversations with a trusted, independent insurance advisor who understands the ins and outs of Medicare. They can help you analyze your specific situation, your health needs, and your budget to find a long-term solution that provides both great coverage and financial stability. Think of it like this: you wouldn't navigate a complex legal issue without a lawyer. Navigating the complexities of Medicare changes is no different. You need an expert guide. The change in 2026 is a significant event. It will fundamentally alter the Medicare supplement market. Those who understand the implications and act now will be in the best position to protect their financial future and their health. Those who ignore it may find themselves facing unexpectedly high costs down the road at a time in life when their income is fixed. To recap the key takeaways, a 2026 law will prevent new Medicare enrollees from buying supplement plans that cover the Part B deductible. If you have one of these plans, you can keep it, but you should expect your premiums to rise more steeply over time as the pool of members gets older and sicker. The best defense is a good offense. Be proactive. Review your plan annually, compare costs, and consider whether a switch to a more stable, open plan like Plan G makes sense for you in the long run. Don't wait until 2026 to start thinking about this. The time to start planning is now. Educate yourself, seek professional advice, and make a decision that's right for your future. Your health and your retirement savings are too important to leave to chance. I hope this breakdown was helpful and gave you the clarity you need to navigate these upcoming changes. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more essential updates that affect you. And please, share this video with any friends or family members who are seniors or approaching retirement. Spreading this knowledge can make a huge difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.